Hello Story Chasers, this is Amber and I am cooking in the kitchen today. You guys have been asking me to show you some more cooking videos on how I cook in my Class B van with a very minimalist kitchen. As you can see, it's quite small. So I will tell you that I do love to cook, and when I had my sticks and bricks house, I was always cooking in the kitchen and baking. But in a van, it's a little bit different because of the setting that you have. It's a little bit smaller and you have less dishes and pots and pans and utensils and things like that, so you have to really get creative. One of the things that I do in my kitchen is I like to make one-pot meals. One, it's a lot easier to cook, and two, a lot less cleanup. So today I'm cooking Asian barbecued chicken and kale, potatoes, and mushrooms all in my cast iron skillet, which you can see right here. And I love the skillet. It's easy cleanup, and again, you can cook everything in one pot and it just turns out beautifully. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started.